Meaning of favor.
Favour.
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 Favour. Favour is a noun that refers to an act of kindness or a preference towards someone or something. It can also be used as a verb to indicate showing kindness, granting a request, or showing preference towards someone or something. When someone does a favor for another person, they are performing an act of kindness that may or may not be reciprocated in the future. Favor can also refer to an advantage or benefit given to someone or something over another. Essentially, favor involves acting in a way that shows kindness or preference towards someone or something.